Alright, let's talk cauliflower. I know, maybe you've walked past it in the grocery store thinking, what am I supposed to do with this? Trust me, after today, you'll never look at cauliflower the same way again. So here's how I make the best cauliflower dish ever, and I promise it's not boring. First, grab a fresh head of cauliflower. Chop it into bite-sized florets. Don't stress about being perfect, rustic is good. Next, fire up your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, toss your cauliflower in a big bowl with olive oil, salt, pepper, a little smoked paprika, and here's my secret, a pinch of cumin. It gives this insane depth of flavor. Get in there with your hands and really coat every floret. Spread the cauliflower out on a baking sheet, making sure it's in a single layer. If it's crowded, it'll steam instead of roast. And we want those crispy edges. Throw it in the oven for about 25 minutes, flipping once halfway through. You're looking for golden brown caramelized bits. That's where the magic happens. While the cauliflower is roasting, let's whip up a quick sauce. In a small bowl, mix together some Greek yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, a little tahini, and salt. Stir it all up until it's smooth. This cool, creamy sauce is going to blow your mind. Once the cauliflower is done, pile it onto a plate, drizzle that dreamy sauce all over, and if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle some fresh herbs and toasted nuts on top. I love using parsley and slivered almonds, but you do you. Now, this isn't just a side dish. Honestly, I've eaten this for dinner more times than I can count. It's smoky, crunchy, tangy, and just the right amount of creamy. And the best part, it's super healthy, but tastes like a total treat. Give this recipe a shot and let me know what you think. Don't forget to experiment, throw in some chili flakes if you like heat, or serve it over rice for a full meal. If you've always thought cauliflower was boring, I guarantee this dish will change your mind. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want more simple knockout recipes, hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.